Napuntahan naman natin yung isa pang network device, ang tawag naman natin ay mga access points. Ang access points, networking hardware device that allows other Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, of course, as we all know, stands for wireless fidelity. Ito yung ginagamit natin para makakonect tayo wirelessly to the network. Okay? And pwede rin natin i-connect yung mga devices natin using the Wi-Fi going to the wired network. Parang ito yung example natin. Halimbawa, meron tayong access point. This is what we call the access point. Ito yung device na nagpo-provide ng wireless connection to our clients. But at the same time, yung access point natin, pwede nating i-connect dun sa switch going to the wired network. Ito naman yung wired network natin. And this is the wireless network. Okay? Yung kagandahan ni access point, nakakapag-provide siya ng wireless connectivity. Ang kagandahan kasi pag meron kang wireless connectivity is of course your clients can be mobile. They can go from one point to another, from one location of your office to another. Na you don't have to worry kung may network ba doon sa lilipatan niyang room, for example, dahil covered naman siya ng wireless connection. So kapag meron kang wireless connection, ang kagandahan, pwedeng ma-expand yung network mo at pwede mo ring ma-scale. Okay? Pag sinabi kong ma-expand, I mean yung range. No? Pwedeng lumayo, pwedeng mobile, or pwede ring ma-scale. Ano ibig sabihin? Pwede mong mapalaki yung network mo dahil yung switch mo kasi may number of ports lang ito Pagka sumobra ka na doon sa number of ports niya, wala ka na may connect. Pero sa access point, pwede mo pang maparami yung connection mo sa ibang clients. So, yan naman yung tinatawag na atin na access point. Of course, we're going to talk about this pagdating natin sa Module 5. Ngayon, marami ba kayong natutunan tungkol dito sa network? And this is only the part 1 of our discussion. What is a network? Pupunta naman tayo doon sa mga susunod na parts at ibibigay ko sa inyo yung mga basic pa rin, no? Foundational pa rin para mas lalo natin mag-grasp yung idea ng networking before we go to the nitty-gritty of the CCNA. So I'll see you there.